Hold up. You see that? Alright. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Alright now. This is another recipe. I'm gonna make this orange, pineapple, and mango juice recipe with a piece of ginger that I purchased last week, and I just have the rest in the freezer. Those 3 pieces of ginger. But I don't think I'm gonna use this whole bag of orange in the in this recipe. I may use like 3 or 4, well maybe 5 oranges plus the pineapple. I purchased 2 mangoes, but I wasn't smart enough. I left both of them on the counter. I think within a day or two. One of them went bad, like really bad, so I threw it out and took the second one and put it in the fridge. That's how come it's still good, but it's nice and cold and soft enough for juicing, or you can eat it like that. So I'm gonna juice them right now. And what I'm also gonna do, I'm gonna juice and I'm gonna do smoothie. So I would probably take 1 orange, few pieces of pineapple after I clean them up, a little piece of mango. I will do maybe just 1 glass of smoothie, but the rest I will juice them. That's what I'm doing on my 6 weeks juice cleanse, juice fast. Most of my recipes that I juice in my Nama juicer, I also do them. I also do a smoothie as best as I can. I know not everything can be done in a smoothie. I know certain vegetables and fruit, depending on how hard they are, you cannot put them in the blender. I understand stuff like carrots. It'll be difficult to put carrots to do smoothie unless you really like them really thick. But I don't. But I do a combination. So whatever I do for my juicing, I also save a little bit of the recipe and do that for my smoothie. So I'm still getting my fiber and my nutrients. I know some people are very fussy or particular, I should say, that they only do juice, and that's okay. If that works for you, that's wonderful. I want the best of both worlds, so I do juice and I do smoothie. So I'm getting both my fiber, my pulp, because for me the fiber and the pulp in the vegetables and the fruits, it what makes me go regular. Number 2, we're adults now. Let's talk about this. Number 2, so and I do number 2, 3 times a day. Yes, just like a newborn baby. You know, a newborn baby, after they eat, within 30 minutes, 1 hour, they're going to poop. That's because their system is clean and ready. But some adults, they're lucky if they go 2, 3 times a week. And that's not even normal. You're supposed to go as often time as you eat. So if you're eating 2, 3 times a day, you're supposed to be releasing those things out to refill. But you don't release them out through poop. Then you add more stuff. You know how backed up you are. Anyway, this is not about constipation. But it's about eating healthy, so it's all in the same subject line. So I'm going to clean this stuff up, and then I'll come back and do another video to show you the juice and the smoothie, see what it looks like, what it tastes like, okay? Don't forget, leave your recipe in the comment section, and let's do this together. Thank you. I've washed, I peeled the pineapple. I washed it nice and clean, the oranges. So in my Nama J2 juicer, I've stuffed it nicely. I have ginger, orange, pineapple, and mangoes. And this the remaining. This is another batch. So I'm gonna turn this on right now. Where is the button? Where is it? Alright. It's doing this thing, y'all. You see that it's filling up already? I just love this juicer. It is doing this thing, y'all. You see there? I'm sorry, I'm shaking the camera, right? See the poop coming out? It looks like poop. I'm sorry. That's all I can think about. I'm sorry. Somebody's gonna get mad at me, huh? I know. Alright, I think I need to fill this up. I'm gonna put some more chunks in there. No, that hole is too small. I was trying to stick it to the chute. Okay, I was going there, but it's gonna. Let me see if this is gonna fit in there. Okay, that fit in there. So look, hold up. Hold up. Wait a minute. This is fitting up. Hold up. So out of one whole pineapple, about 8 small size oranges, 1 mango, 3 pieces of ginger. That's about it, right? So I only got 4 jars, and these are 16-ounce jar. These are 16 ounce each. So I got 4 of that. This is 16 ounce also, so it's not really quite filled. I'm gonna drink this one right now. So I have these 3, which is not much. This is like 1 day supply. So I have to go back to the store and buy some other supplies and make some more juice. I usually like to make my juice once a week, and I make like between 15 to 20 bottles, with different types, of course. I could make I've made 4 bottles of these. I might make 4 or 5 jars of some green leafy ones. Then I might get some watermelons. So I like to spice it up, so I'm not drinking like 20 bottles of the same thing for the whole week. Like to have, at least 2 or 3 different types of variety of juices in my fridge, stack of like 20 bottles, but different, like 5 of the same flavor, 5 of the same flavor, 5. Is it flavor ingredients? Are you getting my point? Anyway, but it tastes great though. It tastes wonderful. It's really naturally sweet. The pineapple is really sweet. The mango was really ripe and sweet. And then the ginger just spiced it up a little bit. The orange were also very sweet. So this is wonderful. It's perfect. Hold up. You see that? Alright. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Alright now. So this is gonna be that's a whole pineapple, 1 whole big pineapple. I think 6 oranges, 1 mango, 3 pieces of ginger. Yeah, next time I'll get more mangoes. I have purchased 2 mangoes, but one of them went back because I left them on the counter. I wasn't very smart of me, but now I've learned. Alright, this is filling up real fast. Hold up. Hold up, y'all. You see this? Alright. Look at that. Alright. I got to taste this and let y'all know what it tastes like. Don't that look good, y'all? Ooh. So it's pineapple, mango, orange, and ginger. Awesome. I've washed, I peeled the pineapple, I washed it nice and clean, the oranges. So in my Nama J2 juicer, I've stuffed it nicely. I have ginger, orange, pineapple, and mangoes. And this the remaining, this is another batch. So I'm gonna turn this on right now. Where is the button? Where is it? Alright. It's doing this thing, y'all. You see that it's filling up already? I just love this juicer. It is doing this thing, y'all. You see there? I'm sorry, I'm shaking the camera, right? See the poop coming out? It looks like poop. I'm sorry. That's what I can think about. I'm sorry, somebody's gonna get mad at me, huh? I know. Alright, I think I need to fill this up. I'm gonna put some more chunks in there. No, that hole is too small. I was trying to stick it to the chute. Okay, I was going there. But this gonna, let me see if this is gonna fit in there. Okay, that fit in there. So look, hold up. Wait a minute. This is fitting up. Hold up. Yep. Wait. Angel. Where is it? Hold up. Am I still recording? I sure am. I didn't even